Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel and I hope you're well. In today's video I will show you a couple of Twitter tips for beginners. If you just sign up and you just started, you don't know how to tweet or what is the symbol mean or what is that here on the right hand side mean. So let's start. First of all, let's say you sign up. As you can see here on the left, you have everything from home, exploring Twitter, communities, your profile, and on the right hand side you have what is trending, news. You need to know that whatever is going on in the world, you can find out first on Twitter. So it's not really in the news. Everything that's going on is first on Twitter. I noticed that. So here on the home, if you want to tweet something, let's say you want to write, I hope you're well. You can see here on, you have a little mark that you know what characters you are, actually the space you're using for, you know, when you write on Twitter. And then also you have here all those icons. I will tell you what are those. First of all is you need to check this out if you want to tweet to everyone, if you want to tweet to your Twitter circle, and those are people that you want to add like to your little group, or you can have a look through. We'll go this I will show you what I mean. You can add people like to your group and create a group of people that you trust or you are in the same business, or you can tweet to your communities from WordPress or whatever communities you're on or you follow. Okay, so it's simple as that. And then you have here you have the media, you have the emojis like funny videos. Then you have polls if you want to create a poll, and emojis, and the location that I don't use. And let's start with the media. If you, for example, want to download a picture from your file, you can actually customize it, make it smaller or bigger. It's really interesting. If you want to add something on Twitter, I'll put this one just for an example. So if you go and edit, you can see tag people if you want to tag someone on Twitter, if you're referring to someone. Then here you can see that you cannot, and you can move. You make it smaller, make it wider, like that. And then you can actually write the description of what you are tweeting. Here you have 0 to 1,000 characters. Simple as that. So those are a couple of tips that you need to know. And here again, if you tweet is something that you know is violence, obviously I'm just showing you what is that, and you cannot. Like some people who put videos from the news, you see all those nudity, violence, or for people to they're sensitive and, you know, wordness in a way. So it's really simple. It's good for you to know if you just started, you know, how to use Twitter. Then the poll. If you want to create a poll or a questionnaire, ask the question here. Then you can have choose one an answer, or choose two another answer, and you can have that into your followers, to your community. Again, polls are very popular for engagement, and you can find out what are your audience needs. And then again, emojis, and you can tweet. So this is the main home, and again is here what is trending. Then you have explore, Twitter news, hashtags, everything, what is going on for sports. Again, communities, as I talked to a previous video, you can follow and be a part of any community you want. It's good for engagement, it's good to offer inspiration, and also to give your expertise to those groups. And don't forget to, guys, we need to have fun. So you need to have fun, you need to enjoy what you're doing. Then we have notifications from all our followers, for people who were following us. And here you have all. Here you have verified, a couple of accounts that we are following, and they're verified. And here is the mentions, is tweets that you have been mentioned, and people they're tweeting you back, they're sending you messages. Here's obviously the messages next. The bookmarks is also if you like a tweet to save it to your bookmark. For example, let's go back to the mention. If I want to bookmark this tweet, I just press this little button here, this one, and then you can see add bookmark, this one. Simple as that. So then you have, it's a new service that Twitter is adding to Twitter Blue. This one you have to subscribe, and is offering bigger videos. It's giving you the opportunity to have a couple of benefits of Twitter. If you subscribe to that, is good if you want to take advantages. It's a new service offered by Twitter that is really good. It's another tool for us to grow, so you can download bigger videos, etc., and you cannot see many ads. I mean, I don't mind the ads anyway. Now then you have the profile, your main profile, that you go and tweet here and retweet. And then you have more. Now if you press more, you have the topics that you follow, topics that you are interested in, topics that you want to know more, topics you have here what's suggested, news, entertainment, finance, and you can just add into your portfolio, and then you will learn the news from those things, that topics you are interested in. And then here what is not interesting you, so you can add them in here. At the moment I have like everything open. I can add anything I want, and I follow anything I want. Again, the list that you have been added to offer your expertise, list that you are following, list that that are following you, so everything is here, or your own list when you create your own list. Is the same thing with the circle, the Twitter circle, people to here, people that, if you want to create a group of people that are in the same business with you, for instance, or online business. I'm in an online business, so I can add people into this circle. If you go here, you see I don't have anyone in present, but here is recommending me if I want to add people that following me, or any other business that I follow or that follow me. So it's simple as that. It's really good. It's new as well. Then you have the newsletters to connect it, to send emails for those who have businesses, of course. And then is the analytics. It's really important tool, analytics for Twitter, because you can see all the impressions, how many people they're visiting your profile, who is mentioning you. Generally, that is a tool that you need to actually keep an eye, because that will help you grow. So you can see here how many tweets I have done the last 28 days. Tweet impressions, profile visits, mentions, followers. 121 people follow me. And here there are top tweets, top of my tweets, top of my mentions, whoever mentioned me. Here again. This one is one of my followers who has a lot of followers. So this is your study Bible, we can call it like that. So it's really helpful. This is important for you to keep an eye on the analytics, guys. You need to know those things, because if you just started, you have to know those things, because you need to grow, and it's easy to grow on Twitter because it's free. So then you have the professional tools, professional home, Twitter ads, you have monetization. These are all settings like privacy and what you do. I mean, I have a business, so it's difficult. It's different. So here are professional home, what impressions, profile spotlights, a couple of things. So that's it. And then you have the settings and support. So those are things that, and of course, this is the button for you to tweet, guys. Don't forget the big button of tweet. And also here is like, if you want to write here below, you write here. The reply here is 30 tweets. If you want to like that, again, if you want to bookmark that, you press here, and then here you can check the analytics of that tweet. So it's simple as that. It's really good if you just started to go through and learn the main steps, because then you know how to go further and grow, and you can get a lot of traffic actually from that. And if you have a business, you can move on and experiment on more professional tools. So that's it for me today. Don't forget to like this video, comment on below, connect with me on the social media if you need anything, and have a great Christmas. I wish you well.